Ever notice how when one thing goes south, it feels like everything else follows? Like a domino effect crashing down around you. One bad day turns into a week of feeling lost, and before you know it, you're in a spiral that feels impossible to escape. I've been there. Everything seems to fall apart at once. The job you thought was secure, the relationship breaking its course, the friendships that started to fade, the dreams that feel just out of reach. You question everything, and as you should. However, in those moments, it's easy to feel like a victim of circumstance, waiting for a miracle to happen and save you from the chaos. But here's the harsh truth. No one is coming to save me. I've realized that if I want things to change, it's up to me. I have to face the mess head on. Every challenge has made me who I am today. It's not easy to keep moving forward, even when it feels like the universe is conspiring against me. It's not just about surviving, it's about deciding to thrive in the midst of uncertainty. So I keep going, even when the weight feels like too much to bear, because the only way to break this cycle is to take charge and steer my own path. I don't know what I'm looking for anymore. I just know I have to keep going. What about you? Are you ready to face your own challenges and take control of your story?